Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Apple just released iOS 14.5 Beta 8 profile for iPhone and also iPadOS 14.5 Beta 8 profile for iPads. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Beta 8 profile for iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, launch Safari browser and search for betaprofile.com. After loading the page, we have to tap on first link, beta profiles. Now scroll down. If you are an iPhone user, then you can download and install iOS 14.5 Beta 8, and if you are an iPad user, then scroll down and download and install iPadOS 14.5 Beta 8. Now we have to tap on download profile and tap download anyways, and a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Tap on close. Minimize the Safari browser. Go to settings. Tap general and tap profile and device management and tap iOS 14 beta software profile and tap install. Here we required iPhone passcode. Now tap again install. If you want to restart your iPhone, then tap on restart, otherwise you tap on not now and tap done. Now we are going to check. Go to settings, tap general and tap software update. Now we have iOS 14.5 developer beta 8 for iPhone and is 3.62 GB files, and we have to tap on download and install. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.